You know that friend who always tags along uninvited, like a third wheel on a date? Meet anxiety. Now, we all have that one friend who just can't take a hint. They're always there, whether you're trying to enjoy a quiet night in, or you're out trying to meet new people. And much like that friend, anxiety has a knack for showing up at the most inopportune moments. It's like having an overzealous fan who just can't get enough of you. You're trying to focus on your day, but there's anxiety, waving its metaphorical pom-poms in your face, cheering you on, or rather cheering itself on. It's like, hey, remember me? No? Well, I'm here anyway. But what if we told you that this pesky third wheel could actually become your new best friend? Intrigued? You should be. Now, you're probably thinking, why on earth would I want to befriend my anxiety? Well, hear us out. Imagine anxiety as that overzealous friend who always shows up uninvited but means well. They're like a fire alarm, a bit loud and annoying, but there to keep you safe. So how do you make this overzealous friend work for you? First off, mindfulness techniques. Stay in the present moment. Think of it as a real-time rendezvous with your thoughts. No past regrets, no future worries, just you in the present. Next, preparation. It's like studying for an exam, but this time the subject is you. And the exam, well, it's just life. Knowing your triggers, planning your responses, it's all part of the syllabus. And remember, every small win counts. Managed to stay at a party for an extra 5 minutes? That's a victory. Spoke up in a meeting? Give yourself a pat on the back. See? All it takes is a little bit of strategy, a dash of mindfulness, and a sprinkle of humor. You're already making progress in befriending your new third wheel. Now that you've got some tools in your anxiety-busting toolkit, it's time to change how we view this whole situation. Anxiety, my friends, is not a boogeyman hiding under your bed. It's more like that one relative who always shows up uninvited to family gatherings. You know the one. They eat all the chips, tell the same stories over and over, and leave a mess for you to clean up. But hey, they're family, right? Just like that relative, anxiety is a part of our human family. It's something we all experience, not something to be ashamed of or to hide away. In fact, the more we try to hide it, the more it loves to make a grand entrance. So, let's flip the script. Instead of viewing anxiety as a party crasher, let's see it as a surprise guest. A guest that, while initially unwelcome, can actually teach us a thing or two about ourselves. Maybe it's telling us we need to slow down, to take a breath, or to face a fear we've been avoiding. Embracing anxiety isn't about enjoying it, it's about acknowledging its presence and learning from it. It's about growth, self-awareness, and yes, even a bit of humor. Because if we can't laugh at ourselves, who can we laugh at, right? So, next time anxiety decides to crash your party, instead of showing it the door, pull up a chair, offer it a drink and say, "Thanks for coming, mate. What can we learn from each other today?" And remember, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to keep this friendly chat going.